Hey guys, are you ready to finally unlock the mystery of attracting any woman? Welcome back to another video where I dive deep into proven dating advice for men. Today, we're uncovering some fascinating female psychology secrets that will give you an edge in the dating world. First things first, let's talk about confidence. You've heard it a million times, but it's crucial. Confidence isn't just about feeling good. It's about projecting an energy that attracts people like a magnet. Women are naturally drawn to men who are confident but not arrogant. So, how do you build this magnetic confidence? Simple: invest in yourself. Get involved in activities that boost your self-esteem, like hitting the gym, learning something new, or simply dressing well. When you value yourself, others will too. Remember, confidence is silent. It's a quiet assurance that speaks volumes. Now let's discuss one of the most underrated secrets: listening. Guys, if you truly want to stand out, be an excellent listener. Women value being heard more than anything. When you attentively listen, and I mean truly listen, you're not just gathering information, you're showing genuine interest. During conversations, practice active listening. Nod along, maintain eye contact, and respond thoughtfully to what she says. This doesn't just show that you're interested, it shows respect and empathy. Trust me, this is something women notice and deeply appreciate. Next, we need to talk about respect and authenticity. Women are quick to spot inauthenticity, so be yourself. Trying to be someone you're not might work temporarily, but true attraction is built on authenticity. Respect her opinions, her time, and her space. When you respect her as an equal, you create a foundation for meaningful connections. Also, respect comes into play when setting boundaries. If she says no, respect it. Nothing is more attractive than a man who knows what he wants but also respects a woman's wishes. Here's a critical insight: understanding emotional intelligence. Women often seek emotional connections first. Recognizing and understanding emotions can help you connect on a deeper level. This isn't about being overly sensitive. It's about being aware of your emotions and interpreting hers correctly. Practice emotional awareness by reflecting on your feelings and observing others' emotional states. When you can empathize with her emotions, you create a powerful connection. This alone can set you apart from others. Finally, let's talk about the magic of humor. Laughter is an incredible tool in attraction. A good sense of humor can lighten the mood, reduce stress, and make interactions more enjoyable. The key, though, is to be natural. Share genuine laughs, judge what kind of humor she appreciates, and be yourself. Remember, humor opens doors. It helps build rapport quickly and effortlessly. So don't be afraid to show your playful side. So there you have it, guys. These female psychology secrets aren't about manipulation, they're about understanding and connection. Two things that truly attract women. Invest in confidence, listen actively, respect her fully, cultivate emotional intelligence, and embrace humor. Try these tactics and watch your dating life transform. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy dating!